Hello, New School Baby Blade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video. I had this for like a few months. A few weeks or so since I got this. I just haven't had a chance to do a video on this yet. I have two. Yes, this one the driver's already missing because I have it on here. Shit. But yeah. Here's his driver. I am gonna be doing a video. Just haven't had a chance to do it because I've been busy with work, recording other videos, recording the Beyblade Burst World Championship. That series is gonna be a series of videos. Is done. It is insane. Still need to do pictures and stuff like that. I'm probably do that after this and might read some more manga. Actually, speaking of manga, let me move this. And I started a series. I have read 3 books of it today. Just today alone. Because I actually, before I recorded this video, I finished book 3. It's manga. Well, actually, it's good, and I'm watching that episode. It's only 3 episodes of the manga so far, and fucking, it's good as hell. I fucking enjoy this. It's yeah. This is the English version. Let me show you like some. Let's see. Fucking very etchy as hell. Yeah, I fucking enjoy it. Here's a little quick. Definitely I'll put each book in the description again, because I highly recommend this manga. Yeah, of course, book 1. Yeah. Book 1, book 2, and book 3. There's 6 right now. There will be 7 in actually this month. Let's see, I actually the time. It should be the 11th, the day before my birthday. So yeah. This will be uploaded hopefully before that, but I'm not sure because I already have a lot of videos as scheduled. And I still want to get back into the actual main video of this, but I want to talk about this manga. At least show you that there's like 4, 5, and 6. I'm probably going to start with these guys tomorrow. Then I'll read on from that. And of course, the other manga I'm reading, I'll get that done. And then another manga I have coming tomorrow, for you guys will be today, for me tomorrow, because it's 11:46 p.m. But yeah, as I'm recording this, but yeah, let's actually get into the actual video itself. This is the Beyblade Burst Surge Slingshot Hyper Spear Sphinx S4 Eclipse Devolos Devolos or Devolos D5. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one because I already got that one. Then I'll do this one. Yeah. It's a cool little series. I know I'm getting. I ordered the DB Demolition Battle base, and they won't be here till May 4th, hopefully. At least for the 2 I ordered. And then May 7th for the random booster set. I ordered that just now. Okay, did it go through? Yeah, May 7th. So yeah. Don't worry, I didn't forget about it. I just haven't had a chance to do it because I've been working 4 or 5 days, like 5 days straight. And today was a split day. Split. I worked today. I'm off tomorrow, and I was off the day before. So yeah, split day, down the middle. So yeah. And you're wondering how I get, even on Beyblade Amino, I've been asked, how do I afford to get all these Beyblades? I work. I'm going to be 24 this year. Not this current month, actually, or today. Not really today, May 12th. So yeah. Okay, let's get Sphinx. And I need to get these bays back together. Ow, fuck. That hurt. But yeah. It was this, and then 8. Oh, actually. I guess that's why I have a whole bunch of scars on my hand. That plus football, baseball, basketball, soccer, track and field, shit like that. Farm work and shit. Yeah. Okay, I'll open this later. Yeah. This is actually cool to drive. I haven't fully tested it, but yeah, I will be testing this. It still hurts. Blitz, 8 dash. Yeah. Here's the code. Hopefully I can get this. I know a lot of people already did this, but I know JoJo posted a video on this already. But I just forgot about it. And it's been on my shelf for a while. Also, if you guys don't know, I'm doing cosplay. I actually did if you guys don't know, I'm a huge fan of Tokyo Ghoul. Tokyo Ghoul is actually one of my favorite series, and I might hopefully get into it, but it's going to take a long time to get the manga. Also, I finished the anime multiple times already. I watched it 2-3 times. English, the original with the English sub, then the dub. I rewatched the sub and stuff like that, and the dub for the first part, second part, then Rebirth or Tokyo Ghoul Rebirth or yeah. Yeah, And also, I got the I did a cosplay even at work for like special days at work, like for a employee of the week or appreciation week type of deal. One of them was like Disney slash. One of my coworkers dressed as forgot the name, but it's from Naruto, and one of the evil guy with the red robes. I watched it, but I can't remember. My favorite part of that series is the 4th Shinobi War. Was my favorite of that. But yeah. It's not just Beyblade or stuff like that, Bakugan and stuff like that. I'm actually really a huge anime weeb, nerd, otaku, whatever you want to call me. But yeah. Here's the code. But yeah. If I want me to talk more about anime too, I might do that. And I'll still do this, but I'm really into like reading manga again. And again, in other videos I'll be posted before this or after this. And yeah, I haven't read manga in a while. And actually, last time I forgot what it was, but yeah. It's really good to be back into actually reading. For me, it's rare. Last time I read was in college. It's like a different weird book. Not like a manga, actual book. And then Holes in high school. But yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye.